CX-461 is an accurate, multifunction modern device used to measure basic physical and chemical parameters of water, sewage and chemical compounds. It measures pH, redox potential, conductivity, salinity, concentration of oxygen in water or air, temperature and atmospheric pressure. The 461 series has also meters which make possible measurements of one function and temperature only. They are operated in the same way as CX-461. The meter may be used for measurements in laboratory or in the field. The meter is user-friendly because of its simplicity and similar procedures in all measuring functions. We may choose between two models of CX-461. The first model is equipped with separate inputs to connect particular electrodes and sensors. The symbols above the inputs inform about their function. The second model is equipped with a multi-pin input which is adjusted to connect a multi-parameter head. This model is very useful in the field in case of making measurements of different parameters simultaneously. Its minimized weight, about 250 grams, makes work more comfortable, and its size makes it handy. To switch the meter on, press the on-off button. The measuring screen with the chosen functions will appear. The user may choose the language among English, German and Polish. To choose, press the option button, choose the MISC and next the language. Return to the measurement screen by pressing the return button. CX-461 enables simultaneous measurements of four chosen parameters. We have chosen pH, conductivity, atmospheric pressure and temperature. To change the function displayed on the measuring screen, press the option button and next in the Functions tab one may select. After pressing the window with the function we want to remove, the table with all the measurement function appears. We remove the atmospheric pressure and instead we choose the oxygen measurement. Return to the measurement screen by pressing the return button. It is possible to store calibration results for 3 electrodes, cells or sensors. The electrodes should have the numbers given before the measurement. On the left, next to the reading, one of 3 symbols, E1, E2 or E3 appears. It corresponds to the chosen electrode. Such a solution enables fast replacement of a broken electrode or changing it to other type to adjust it to the measured substance. It is especially important when working in the field as it doesn't require calibration in such conditions. After replacing the electrode, the measurements may be continued and time saved. At the upper part of the screen, the current time and date are displayed. And in the upper right corner, there is a symbol of a battery which informs about the rechargeable battery condition. From the window of the chosen function, we may switch to the window with parameters connected with this function. The parameters may be set very easily, which is helpful for the user. For example, in the pH function, press the pH measurement window. A frame will appear. The mode button becomes active, so we press it. The parameters screen appears. In the resolution window, we may choose the measurement resolution, high up to the 3rd decimal place or low up to the 2nd decimal place. In the electrode number, we may choose E1, E2 or E3 symbol. It is possible to check the type of the chosen calibration solution, standard or buffer. The changes are made in calibration mode. By pressing the display button, one may see the chosen calibration point. We may also check or change the calibration expiry date or check the last calibration date. Calibration of the electrodes or sensors in basics is a reducing of the measurement error by entering a correction to the meter's memory. Calibration is made by pressing the window with the chosen function and choosing the calibration mode by pressing and holding the Cal button, which appears on the bottom of the screen in the calibration mode. Choose the calibration parameters by pressing the Mode button. After entering the required parameters, we may proceed with calibration. Maintenance of the meter in the calibration mode is simple and consists of pressing the Calibrate button after the results stabilizes. To give an example, we'll also show the conductivity parameters screen. After pressing the Mode button, we may choose conductivity, measured in microsiemens or millisiemens, salinity, the result is calculated to NaCl, KCl or TdS. We can choose the unit in which the measurement will be made. Each measurement function has many parameters which facilitate work and increase the accuracy. More detailed description is included in the user's manual added to the meter. The meter may store 2000 sets of results of all the functions measured simultaneously with the time and date of measurement. The memory capacity may be divided into so-called banks, into which we enter the number of samples to be stored. The results may be sent to the PC by RS-232 cable or with use of the USB adapter.